Hello everyone. So in my last video, we are done with the instance variable, and that is also using constructor, instance method, and obviously object name. So now the next topic is static variables. Okay. So if the value of variable is not changing from object to object, because instance variable is what? If you are changing the value of variable object to object, then it is instance variable. But if the value of variable is not changing from object to object, then such type of variables are called as static variables or class level variables, or you can say that class level variables. So we can access the static variables by using class name or object name, but accessing static variables with class name is highly recommended that compared to object names. So I will write one simple program, class student. Okay, so obviously student data like roll number, names are unique, like it is object to object. But one thing which is common in all the student object is college name. So if I write college underscore name equal to SBMP, something like this. Okay, I have declared inside the class but not inside of any method. So now I am writing constructor having two parameters, and one is default, so total three. Roll number, self comma roll number and name. Okay, then inside this self dot r equal to roll and self dot n equal to name, and I'm done with the definition of this. So I'm done with class also. So quickly I will create two object s1 s2, and obviously now we know okay, how to create object by writing s1, that is object name, equal to class name, that is student, and we can write one, and comma and double quotation we can write Anushka, and one more object student, that is s2, and we can write 5 comma and double quotation we can write Vicky. Okay, so we are done with that. That means at this point it will call constructor, and in self dot r it will be roll number, and self dot n it will be name. So now we are printing everything. So print, okay, s1 dot r, print s1 dot n, and as I said, to print the value of static variable, we have to use either class name or object name, but it is highly recommended to use the class name. So what exactly I'm going to write over here is print student dot college, that is the name of the variable, college underscore name. And same way for s2 also. Just 1 minute. Control C and control V. It will be for s2, and this will remain as it is because it is a common name. Control S F5. See, this is the details of the first one, details of the second one, and in both the case college name is what? SBN. And also we can use object name, like instead of this class name, that is also possible. If you want, we can do that correction also. Sorry, S1. Okay, control S F5. See, so using class name also we are getting that static variable value, and using object name also we are getting the value. So in my next video we will talk about how to declare static variables in Python with different cases. Like we can have 5 cases, so that will cover in my next video. Thank you everyone.